Hi everyone, welcome to today's CPC exam practice on cardiovascular anatomy. We will go through quick questions and answers to help reinforce the key structures and functions you need to know. Let's get started and remember to subscribe so you don't miss future practice sessions. This is the first question. Which chamber of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the systemic circulation? Option A, left atrium, option B, right atrium, option C, left ventricle, and option D, right ventricle. So, what is the right answer? The right answer is option B, right atrium. If you get confused while selecting the right answer, then you can check the anatomy diagram which is in your ICD manual, anatomical illustrations. You can see the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. These two large veins drain oxygen poor blood directly into the right atrium. This is the heart's first chamber. Next question. Which vessel carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart? Option A, pulmonary artery, option B, pulmonary vein, option C, aorta, option D, superior vena cava. The right answer is option B, pulmonary vein. In the diagram, you can see the pulmonary veins carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. The pulmonary veins are blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to the left atrium of the heart. Okay. Next question. The SA node is located in which part of the heart? Option A, interventricular septum, option B, right atrium, option C, left atrium, and option D, right ventricle. The right answer is option B, right atrium. Next question. The thickest layer of the heart wall is option A, endocardium, option B, myocardium, option C, epicardium, and option D, pericardium. This question is very important. The right answer is myocardium. This diagram is also present in the anatomical illustrations. Myocardium is the thickest layer of the heart wall. Next question. Which vessel is commonly used for CABG grafting due to its durability? What is CABG? Coronary artery bypass graft. Option A, basilic vein, option B, internal mammary artery, option C, cephalic vein, and option D, femoral artery. The vessel most commonly used for CABG because of its exceptional long-term durability is the internal mammary artery, especially the left internal mammary artery. Make a note of this. So that's all for today. Keep reviewing and practicing to build your confidence for the CPC exam. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe for more question and answer practice and exam focused content.